Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show this 1959 Mercury Park Lane in 1:18 scale made by Sunstar Platinum collection. So let's take a better look at it, but before we doing it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to click the bell for news, and to give me your like. So let's go on. First thing we notice about this car is the quality of materials that are used. It's a heavy car. It's made with very high quality materials. The trim is all made with a very high quality chrome plastic with no cast markings, with all details that are supposed to be in a real car. As we look at this front, we can see that this grille, that's actually not a grille but sort of a simulation, that it really simulates the grille very well, as well as this the Mercury emblems right here in the front, and this fender ornament. The right one is missing. I'm going to have to reproduce one, but we can see that from the left one that it has a very good quality, just like those headlights, which are very realistic, and those bumpers and blinkers that we can see that really look like the ones in a real car. In the front fender we can see the Park Lane badge, which is made in photo etched and with a very high quality, as well as this trim around the windshield wipers, and this air intake right here, right after the hood, which is made in a very high quality. Let's take a look at the engine. When we look at this engine bay, we can see that the quality is really superior. Let's put the light here so you can take a better look. The engine is golden color, just like it's supposed to be in a real Mercury, with all cables and wires, a radiator, a fan, the battery, this water jug right here, hood lock. We can see the hood lock right here, and then the hood as well. It's so really perfect. It's all made just like in a real car. The antenna here, which is made with a drop-shaped ornament, and this interior that really looks like the one in a real car. The bench seat in the front, and this very nice dashboard, just like this carpet, the steering wheel, the pedals. This is an automatic car. This seat that folds forward, and the back seat, headliner, and the trim around the windows, which are made with a very high quality, as well as the rear glass, which is really so smooth that it really looks like glass. It doesn't even look like plastic. It's a very high quality acrylic. The trim and the quarter panels, that really looks very realistic, just like this trim here below. And 1959 cars are really sort of exaggerated, and this Mercury is no exception. The rear, which is also very well made, counts in very nicely reproduced tail lights, exhaust pipes, license plate, trunk lid, these tail lights right here in the quarter panels, reverse lights right here, and the trunk itself, which is made with perfection, with a trunk lid, with the reinforcement, a factory sticker, high quality hinges, spare tire, and actual fabric mat. You can even see the jack right here and the lock. It's really perfect. The Mercury emblem is also made in photo etched with such perfection. Passenger side, you can take a better look at the interior. You can see that Dashboard is really well taken care of. You can see radio buttons, knobs, door panel with all controls. Supposed to be in a real car. Trim below the door and as well as around the seat. And the door handle, which is a separate piece. Wheels and tires are perfect. Trim and the emblems are all correct. There's no misalignment. So this is really very well made. Now the bottom is also very well taken care of. We can see the coil springs, suspension, and drive shaft, which is fixed but still very well reproduced. All cables, the exhaust pipes, engine and transmission, the steering system, which is also very well reproduced and actually functional. Front and rear suspensions are functional as well. Frame, the gas tank is in the correct color, as well as its exhaust pipes. Frame itself is a sort of an axe-shaped frame, just like the other 50s cars. So this is a very nice car to have in an American classic car collection. So I'd like to thank you for all views, likes and comments. Please don't forget to give me a like, to leave your comments below, to subscribe my channel, and to share this video. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.